If you're asked to find the value of x in x to the power of x to the power of 6 equal to 144, what do we do? To solve this, I want you to recall that 144 can be equal to 12 multiplied by 12, and this can be equal to 12 squared, right? If this can be equal to 12 squared, then I can have my x to the power of x to the power of 6 equal to 12 squared. So what do we do from here? I'm going to take the sixth power of both sides. So I'll have x to the power of x to the power of 6 multiplied by 6, and this will be equal to 12 to the power of 2 multiplied by 6. Now, look at this. I want to bring the law of indices. From that law of indices, if I have a to the power of x multiplied by y, this can be equal to a to the power of y multiplied by x, right? So this is one of the values and this is one of the values. So I'll have that to become x to the power of 6 all to the power of x to the power of 6, and this will be equal to 12 multiplied by 2 times 6 according to the law of indices. So this times this is going to give me x to the power of 6 all to the power of x to the power of 6, and this will be equal to 12 to the power of 12. Now let's compare the base and the roots, because we see they are both the powers are equal to the root. So we'll take 1, and if we take 1, we'll have x to the power of 6 to be equal to 12. So to solve this, let's multiply both sides by 1 divided by 6. So we'll have x to the power of 6 multiplied by 1 divided by 6 equal to 12 multiplied by 1 divided by 6. This 6 is going to clear this. We'll have our x to be equal to 12 to the power of 1 divided by 6, and this can also be equal to the 6th root of what? Of 12, and that is the solution. Now let's check to see if this solution is right. To check, let's simply insert the value of x equal to 12 to the power of 1 divided by 6 into this. So we'll have 12 to the power of 1 divided by 6 multiplied by 12 to the power of 1 divided by 6 multiplied by 6. Will it be equal to 134? Let's find out. From here, this and this will multiply to clear this, and then we'll have 12 to the power of 1 divided by 6 multiplied by 12. According to the law of indices, this will be equal to 12 to the power of 1 divided by 6 multiplied by 12. Will this be equal to 144? Let's find out. This is going to give us 12 here 1, 12 here 2. So 12 to the power of 2, which is equal to 144, is equal to this 144. So that tells us that the value of our x, which is equal to 12 to the power of 1 divided by 6, or the 6th root of 12, is the solution to this expression given to us here. If you did enjoy watching this solution, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified maths content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.